Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and isolating the screen. This prevents shorts and accidental inputs. Once the device is off, remove the battery or unplug power if possible. Make sure the screen is cool. Inspect the glass and frame closely so you know whether you need replacement glass, digitizer, or just a receipt. Put on an anti-static strap, lay a soft mat, and organize screws. These first steps reduce risk and make later reassembly predictable, so you save time and avoid damage. Now you open the chassis and follow connectors to the display assembly. Be gentle, because clips and ribbon cables are fragile. Once you've exposed the LCD and digitizer, disconnect the flex cables and inspect connectors for bent pins, debris, or corrosion. This is often the root cause. If appropriate, perform a brief power test with the screen disconnected to confirm backlight or controller faults. Make sure to document cable positions. A photo helps, and it prevents mistakes when you reconnect everything later. Finish by fitting the replacement screen or receding connectors, aligning the edges before snapping the bezel back in. Once everything is reconnected, reinstall screws in their original locations and reconnect the battery. Make sure not to over-torque small screws because that distorts the frame. Power the device and run a full verification. Touch response across the panel, color uniformity, and brightness levels. If something misbehaves, key troubleshooting. Reopen and check each connector seating. Most faults are loose ribbons or trapped debris.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.